Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom photo widget on your home screen. So let's start. First, long press the home screen. And tap Widgets. Now search for Note Widgets. It can be of different name according to your phone. Now tap on Notes. And now you have to select your email. And tap All Notes. And the widget will be added to your home screen. And now tap the plus icon to add a photo here. And tap Photo Note. And your camera will automatically pop up. I'll just click a picture. You can also choose photos from your gallery. I'll use this picture. You can give a title and a body to your note. I'll just type in my note, and this is my new widget. At the top of the screen, you'll see a pin icon. Tap on that. At the top right corner, you'll see a download like button. That's your archive button. You can save the notes by tapping on archive button. I'll just tap archive and get back to home screen, and you'll see that no notes or photos are showing here just because I've archived it. I'll just tap on the notes again and go back and tap on three bars on top left corner. Now go to archive. You'll see all your archived notes here. Now select one and tap the pin icon at the top of the screen. And now go back to your home screen and you'll see the photo here. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.